Today we are looking at my family farm, but most importantly we are looking at the chickens, animals we own. These are all our chickens. There's probably more in there. See. Hold on. See? There's more in there somewhere. There's two. There's one. There's a lot. Okay? So now let's come out of there. Let's go check out our baby guineas. Yeah! So this is our feeding barn. Pretty quiet in here, as you can see. So this is our feeding barn. This is where we have all our animals. They're not dead. Don't worry. As you can see, those ones are starting to get up. Okay? See? They're alive. There's one. Aren't they just cute? They all like to crowd in the corners with each other. That's not a guinea, that's a chicken. We have a few chickens in here. Let's pick one of these baby guineas up. We're gonna try to pick up this. Okay. Ugh, it's hard. Okay, that one doesn't like us. It's kind of hard. This is the one I got. Can you see him? He's gonna set him down right here. Oh! Here he is. Okay, that's not the safest place to put him. Kind of loud. But here's one of our baby guineas. Okay, let's go put him back. We'll just walk over here. Just have a greeting to all these other babies. And then, there. That's him, right there. Or not. Okay. So now let's go look at our older chickens, and then we'll go check out some sheep, okay? It's bright outside today. Oh. There's one of our sheep. Dun, dun. Okay. That's our new rooster. They like to get out of this awesome chicken cage that we built for them. Okay. So this is our chicken tractor, and here they are. We have one guinea in there. So oh yeah, and we have a greenhouse right over here. Just right in here. If you guys want, we can go ahead and hop in here. See what's in here. That was a sprinkler. Okay. So it looks like we've got some tomatoes growing. Not even some. Gosh, that sprinkler again. Unless these aren't tomatoes. What are these? This might be a different kind of tomato. We got some red tomatoes. And whatever these are. Can't tell. I don't know what that is. I think it is... I don't know. These are, I think, peppers. Unless we're not growing peppers. But got some more tomatoes growing. That's actually a really pretty flower. You guys, look at this flower. That's like red inside of it. That's red. That right there, what I'm pointing at, is red. That's pretty. Okay. So that's our greenhouse. Now let's go check out these sheep. Okay. That's my mom. That's my grandma. And then, I don't know if you guys can see the sheep real good. Here. Sheep. So there's our sheep. We have more. That is my brother. Well guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. So yeah. Bye! And one more last shot of our family farm. Okay, bye guys.